You're guilty of eating Easter chocolate. You're not supposed to be eating chocolate. You're a dog. The Easter chocolate is supposed to be for the children. If you scratch her like that, her back leg goes. You too. You too. Alright. You are guilty, aren't you? Oh, delivery for the Easter bunnies. Oh. Look at that.
There's the Easter bunny.
Which one of you is the Easter bunny?
He's the one.
He must be the one. He's the buck.
Where is those? Here.
Nina, do you want to eat some dandelion? They're looking for oats now. No, those rabbits are not food now. I know you ate the Easter bunny already, the chocolate one. You don't be eating these. How are you doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life and Birdland Homestead. Happy Easter to you. And we're going for a little Easter egg hunt out in the garden. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Show us your basket. We couldn't find a proper basket, so we just took one of those from the house. Let's go to the garden.
There's probably some near the tail. Even Nina's looking for Easter eggs.
I hope not. I hope the dogs don't find any.
Maybe there's some under.
In the rhubarb. Look at that.
I found some.
Nice.
Okay, I wonder if there's more in.
You're camouflaged in the garden with that jacket. Here's the Easter bunny's fierce fun to the old rhubarb this year. And the great mullen, as always.
He loves the rhubarb.
Nina, you're not allowed to eat any chocolate.
This is easy.
Look at that. Keep looking.
It's obvious when you see them.
Okay. Go ahead.
Good thing dogs didn't find that. It was right beside him.
Yeah. Oh. I thought I saw something in the double cave. Look at it.
This is worse.
Look at that. That was an easy one. You didn't see it.
I'm getting quite a collection.
Oh.
The penguin. It was sitting right on top here.
It looks like a young peep. Look at that.
Another one.
Look in the garlic. There's one.
He likes all sorts of plants.
Remember last year he put some in great mullen?
Yeah, and here's some. Let's see if there's any more fruit mullen.
The Easter bunny seems to like great mullen.
I got a fair collection now. Yes.
I was looking at nothing. I know he likes comfrey.
What is... Oh no, what did you see? What is that? Whoa.
Oh, keep looking.
And I know where this came from.
Yep. Thanks to Helen from up the road.
I think she's the Easter bunny.
She is the Easter bunny. I can't believe you were eating Easter chocolate. We don't ever give you sweets. And they did it in a matter of minutes as well, I'd say.
But
Look how guilty they are.
But we're very lucky they never found this.
Look at it. We're lucky they didn't find that. And these. I'd say they must have eaten a few. And the Easter bunny itself. I can't believe you found the Easter bunny and you ate it. That's very bad.
You're supposed to keep it.
You're not supposed to eat chocolate. You're a dog.
You're supposed to bring it to us and give it to us.
Yeah, you're not supposed to scoff it. Alright. Alright. We'll take another look around. Don't show them that basket anyway.
You're not eating this chocolate.
You're not getting what's in the basket now. Alright. Maybe there might be some more. Let's have a look.
Good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Happy Easter.
Too good. Good girl, yeah.
It's good. Want some?
I'll have some later.
Yeah, this is not for you.
Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you the next time. Happy Easter. See you later. Bye bye.